Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating my mini vertical happy planner. I use this planner for like on the go because it's mini. I like to keep it in my purse and I write like all different kinds of errands. I also use it for like household stuff. So like in my monthly section, I write different chores and things that need to be done and things that have been done. So then I can be able to look back on it and see the last time that I changed the filters in the house or cleaned out the fridge or, like really things that don't get done super often. So anyways, I am using the brand new collection and I'm using the sticker book. It's called Align and it's like super sophisticated. I love the colors. There's like gray, black, a little bit of tan, and then a little bit of navy, but it's almost black kind of navy. So anyways, I have started with putting those strips up at the top because I really wanted to start with gray because like gray is one of my favorites. And then of course kind of like layering that it's a perfect time or perfect day to start. I don't have the best eyes, but I think that's what it says. I layered that on top. And then this kind of like retro, I guess. I don't know if it's retro, but maybe somebody else will tell me in the comments below, but it's like that, I don't know. All I can think of is retro style circles down at the bottom. And at first I put a lot of stuff, like I'm putting this kind of like rainbow thing in the sidebar, but I realized the sidebar ended up being really like way too much going on. It was like so heavy. So I actually end up moving that over to kind of like the weekend area, but I really like that this sticker book is sized for the mini because like I've mentioned in other mini Plan With Me's, I am still getting used to the whole mini thing. And so having sticker books that are specifically sized for the layout that I'm doing, it just makes it easier for me as I'm learning. So maybe that's a tip for you guys if you're starting in a brand new layout or especially brand new size that you're not used to. So I'm doing, of course, a lot of grouping, layering, stuff like that. This week, like I've mentioned in my most recent videos, our house is going on the market. So this past Monday, we had the photographer come and he did like pictures and this really fancy video and everything. So we had a lot to do on Monday. So I had that to-do list kind of thing going. And Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be like prepping kind of thing. Probably Tuesday is going to be more of a relaxing day, to be honest, because the photography thing really took a lot out of us. But Wednesday is going to be like prepping because we are going to be leaving Thursday for going back home. And we're going to just have people coming in and out all day on Friday and Saturday, a little bit on Sunday, and a little bit on Thursday actually too. So it's just going to be showings like crazy. So it'll be super nice to be able to bring this with me. I will go ahead after the videos like normal. I'll fill everything in and be able to take it with me on the go. So let me know what you guys think. Do you have this new Align sticker book? Do you like it? What do you think? I really like how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.